addressing people to vote for him, somebody took out .32 caliber and shot him from around 3 to 4 meters away. Such a thick bullet. Bullet goes and hits him on his chest. And he's talking. He's a presidential candidate. Think about it. Some days back, I think Trump also got bullet on his ear. But here, shot on the chest. Shot on the chest. And he fell down. When Roosevelt got up, he was feeling giddy, and he was a trained anatomist. So he got up and pulse, tuck, 84. My pulse is 84. So no cardiac vessel, no major vessel has gone. It's a true story. I've shown you all the pictures before. So Roosevelt said, my pulse is okay. So my heart is not punctured. My lungs are, no major vessel has gone. Pranayam, mudra. I'm able to breathe. No pain after few breaths. Yani my pleura is intact and lungs are intact. Where is the bullet? I'm not fainting. Bullet is in the muscle, which is not causing any bleeding. He carried on. He spoke for nearly 25 minutes thereafter. And then he said, chalo, hospital chalte. And then went to the hospital, and he had a bullet which was lost in his muscle here, which was in his body till the time he died. Roosevelt. He was called Bull Moose. Maybe he was called a bull. So we should all be like a bull. Okay? The bullet inside. So आज के बाद हम एक प्रॉमिस करेंगे, गिरेंगे तो आईसीयू के अंदर, वरना नहीं गिरेंगे. छोटी छोटी यहाँ दर्द, वहाँ दर्द, चक्कर आ रहा है, करना बंद कर दो. लाइफ में कुछ बड़ा अचीव करना